In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Expedia trip to Google Calendar, a convenient way to keep all your travel plans organized in one spot. This process is quite straightforward, and we'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge you need. First, you'll want to navigate to the Expedia website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to Expedia's homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you should do is sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login details to access your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to continue with this tutorial. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the main homepage of Expedia. From here, the next step is to access your travel details. So, look for the Trip Planner section. This is often an option in the main menu, or can be found by scrolling down the page until you spot it. Once you've located Trip Planner, click to open your current trips. This section holds all your reservations, be it flights, hotels, or car rentals that you have booked through Expedia. Now, to add your trip to Google Calendar, find and click on the Share option. This option allows you to seamlessly integrate your travel itinerary with other services. Once you click Share, you'll be presented with several options on how you can share your trip details. A handy feature here is the ability to invite others via email, which we'll use to send the itinerary details to your Google account. Select the Invite via Email option. This will prompt you to enter an email address. Make sure you type in the email associated with your Google Calendar. Once entered, send the invitation. Check your email inbox for the invitation message from Expedia. When it arrives, open it up and you'll likely find an attachment or a link that, when clicked, will allow you to add your trip details directly into your Google Calendar. And there you have it. By following these steps, you conveniently have all your Expedia travel details automatically organized within your calendar. This not only helps you track your schedule better, but also centralizes all your travel plans, making them easy to reference anytime you need them. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email address and ensure that your Google Calendar is set to accept added events. Stay organized and travel smarter by leveraging technology to manage your itineraries. Enjoy your travels.